Nimblr process, if you see, we always have something like a star over here, you see. And the candles which don't have star are like this. They don't have stars. They are like this. Now, what does the star mean? A star means that this candle is a momentum candle. And when there is no star, it is an indecision candle. Now, what is an indecision candle? So I will work on this. What is an indecision candle? Now, indecision candle basically is, we call it as an IC candle. Means what? This is the open, and then there is a close which occurs here, say downside. If it is like this, downside. If it is like this, downside. And there are wicks over here. Now, here in this process, when it starts to open, it wobbles like this, it wobbles like this, it wobbles like this, and this is what the whole price action in between is. Meaning what? This is an indecisive price action. This is an indecisive price action. It is like a range. It is like a range trading. It is like a range trading. It is like a range. It is a range within itself. Therefore, whenever there is a breakout, say if this is a candle which is downside, and then there is a breakout which comes like this, from this low, a breakout candle comes like this. This is called the momentum. Right? So we are always using this indecision candle, the IC candle. It's high and low as values of SL. We use them as values of SL. They are used for stop losses. So if we are going to place a stop loss, if you come here, we are going to place the stop loss here. We will place the stop loss here, right? We will place the stop loss here, either here, like this, right? This, here, at this level, right? We can place it here, and then we will place it here. We do stop losses below or above the IC candle. No stop losses are ever placed below, for buy, and above for sell on momentum candles. So no stop losses are no stop losses are placed. No stop losses are ever placed below buy and for buy and above for sell on momentum candles. So we are only going to consider this candle. So if there is an IC here formed, then we will consider placing it lower here, right? Okay, here, or if you're selling it, if you're selling anything, if you have sold it here, then about this. This is an IC, this is an IC, this is an IC, this is an IC, right? We will place about this. Okay, so only ICs are to be used. Where does one place the stop loss? Question, indecision candle. Find the indecision candle, use its high and low, because indecision candle is a range, and every range provides a low and a high from which a breakout occurs. And therefore, this IC candle be used for placing the stop loss.